We're almost in Gamboa, and this is part of the Panama Canal. This is a new large area where the ships pass through.
Arriba. La calle estaba mala para allá para acá. I think they use some of them to endure.
Rainforest Resort, I think they have about 130 rooms. We're 210 and here for 3 nights. On here. Okay. Ooh, hammock out there. 2 huge beds. There's a swimming pool down there. And that's the Chagres River we were just on when we were visiting the Embra Indians.
Very good. Okay, thank you.
Breakfast time at Gamboa Resort. Lots of different cheeses, cold meats, fruits. Fruits. Buenos dias. Milk. Kellogg's Fret Loops must be big here. They do have an egg station. Bacon, sausage, huevos. Tamales. My camera keeps fogging up every time I lift the covers. These are some of the experiences that they offer. I think this is the one that we're doing this morning. The aerial tram. We're going to do that first, the aerial tram and an exhibition. Everything is arranged over here at the tour desk. And of course, nothing is free. You pay for everything, but it was all in our itinerary. El Histórico Pueblo de Gamboa. This little town was built between 1933 and 1943, strictly for dredging, for logistical simplicity. Now, this is what the sign says, not what I'm saying. The main street housed white American families, and it gave them easy access to the recreation areas. The part where the hotel was once a golf course. And part of the interior for some of these houses was built with wood from the giant sequoia trees in California. I think those are betel nuts. Bloody Mary's chewing betel nuts. Boom, 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 boom. We've been eating in the bar area because otherwise their lunches are all buffets. So today I have good old chicken fingers and Steve has a chicken wrap. It's very pleasant out here on the balcony with a nice breeze. Otherwise you could die out there. It's so hot and humid.